Give me all your money. So it begins. Chicken enclosure building. Materials from Lowe's. Marshall, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, I am Marshall Raymer. I am his brother-in-law, and I came here to help him build this chicken coop.
Let's do it. This is where we're building, 20 by 40 feet.
And it's so rocky out here that we had to get my boss out here with the skid steer.
Guess I was a little off on my measurement. It's 20 on this side and 19 on the other, but we're not gonna mess with it.
Get your tape, measure up 2 foot, just see where it comes to that on that.
Two feet, dead on.
So we were gonna do the gate right here, but solid rock. So we're gonna move it down to the corner over there, resprayed and remarked.
Started bringing all the materials out. Still digging that rock. Got a bucket for the water, for the concrete, for the hose.
A few moments later.
Last hole, X marks the spot. Center post for the roof.
While he's here, got him digging for another brace for the front of my neighbors and my fence. Wolfgar, get over here. Come on. Marshall's over there working hard. Another fun thing we're gonna do real quick. I had him saw this tree down so I'd never have to worry about it falling on the fence, but it's been sitting there ever since. I've cut off smaller pieces and dragged them away, but now he's about to come with the forks and drag this away. Wow, the power, the strength.
How's it looking? We need a few more supplies. What are we missing? Well, we need a few more tension bars that are in this box. We need 3 more of these. I'm still sorting through the rest.
Free water. Very nice. Boss made this. Rings on top for the corners of the roof. Custom hole for the center. Looking good, looking good. Beautiful. Now my neighbor can run his fence however he wants, and then we can redo the front. Little drink before Lowe's. Oops, wrong door. Not good for you, but it'll taste good.
I've never had one.
Oh no, don't start now. All right, first time drinking a NOS. Let's get your review. Honest review.
Okay.
Candid review.
Yeah, it's like citrus.
Good night, concrete. Set well. What are you eating, Jenna?
Day 2.
Good morning, concrete.
I'm gonna start by taking down the string. We're gonna put the top rail on.
I think one of the strings busted. Trash. So what were you saying about this post, Marshall?
Well, I think it's gonna be the most solid post.
Because it's inside a rock.
We have to go lay these top rail out all the way around, and then we'll measure and cut them off where we need to and put them up on top.
Well, that jacket weather was short-lived.
So now what we do is we have to put these two together with a bolt and a nut, and once they're together, then we put it on our post. Now we can put the end of our top rail right in there.
Amazing. I can't believe how easy this is. Literally just plug and play. Never seen chain link done before. Got a little dippage going on, so we're gonna bring it up and zip tie it and then tighten it. The ground dips here, so it's not really our fault. Tension wire time. We've gone all the way around. So run that tension bar all the way down through the chain link. Clamp the tension bar through the chain link to the corner post, correct?
Yes, and you always want one less clamp than your footage. So like this is 6-foot chain link, so we're gonna do 5 clamps to hold this bar.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Measuring the distance from our corners to our center post.
Oh wow.
How good that looks. Would you like to explain how you're doing it?
Well, I have a special chain link stretcher, but I forgot it at home.
And I also got one, but returned it.
So I just put a tension bar in here, and I'm using 2 ratchet straps to pull on the bar to kind of stretch all of it at the same time. So it's not really the way you're supposed to, but it works.
It works. My neighbor just came by and said he didn't mind cutting those limbs off. I've started there. Very nice of him. And he has a chicken house over there and gave some advice. He has chicken wire coming out the sides and going out 2 feet, so coyotes can't dig in. My plan originally was just to put barbed wire in the trench underneath all the way around. Probably stick with that. And then the plan for the roof being woven wire so hawks and owls and things don't come in, because they are definitely a threat for chickens around here. Marshall's doing it all by himself. I got barbed wire run all the way underneath, tied loosely to the posts. Gotta go get my hair cut. See what we can do here. That's all we got for tonight.
Day 3.
Here we are again. Gate and roof. What are the steps for putting the gate on?
We just have to bolt these hinges on and then bolt these onto the gate. And then the hinge goes on there and then it'll swing.
So it was catching in here because it's flared out. So Marshall knocked it down. Don't try this at home, kids. We're good. Nothing we can't paint. Got it. Now that we've cleared the branches, it's time to do the roof. And the truth is, I don't think we know what we're doing. I just had this idea and it's being pieced together. So either this is gonna work or the video is gonna end in shame. But the plan is steel cable supports all 4 corners and then overlaying the wire on top.
There. We're gonna take this hook, hook it in that clip, and put the cable here and then tighten it up.
That's so nice. We're gonna tighten it up when we get all 4 on.
This video is sponsored by Makita. Okay, no, I'm just kidding.
It's actually very light, so that's promising. When we tied it off there, it's pulling that post a little bit, making an issue here. Could have used one more full roll, I think, to go across the middle, but we've got these. You think we can do it?
Oh yeah, it'll work.
Had an old piece of woven wire that I did for that, and then our leftovers we finished the middle with, and then we'll do the same over here. Scale of 1 to 10.
11.
BK, have it your way.
I would like 2 white chocolate mocha frappes. Thank you.
The whole reason that we're having an issue is because we couldn't use the corner because we had to move the gate because of the rock. It's a little saggy here, but we're applying the hog rings to connect it all and hopefully make it more solid. We're doing good.
We're doing great.
We've done it. We've tied all the ends. We've just done everything. There's just so much space in here. It's amazing. Everything is covered. Everything is connected. It really worked out. Time to paint. There's something about black, isn't there? I know. So much better than white. Oops. You can't say that. Well, that took a good amount of time, don't you think?
Yeah, it did.
Not very hard.
Just time consuming.
I thought the chain link itself was pretty good. I guess normally you just do that for fencing and not like walls per se. What we did was a little experimental, but I think it worked overall.
Oh yeah, it should work well. I think it will.
Those of you wondering where the chickens are, gonna work on landscaping this year before we get a lot of animals. So we might get chickens later this year or next year, but I'll make a video when they come in for sure. Overall, I think it really worked out. It was a good plan, and we followed it through. I didn't know what I was doing the whole time, but Marshall did, and we made it through. If you watched it all the way through, I appreciate you. Consider liking. If you want to see more, consider subscribing. And I highly recommend going over to Marshall's channel because he has some very viral hits that you will enjoy. Do you think you'll start making more videos now, Marshall?
Possibly. I've been thinking about it.
We'll see what happens. Thank you very much for all your help.
You are welcome.
SJ76, Marshall Raymer, Slim Jones, out.